everyone. If you're a homeowner in Albuquerque and have ever thought about switching to solar energy, today I'm here to guide you on how you can potentially get solar panels installed at your home for free. Yes, you heard that right, free. First, let's talk about why Albuquerque is a prime spot for solar energy. With over 280 sunny days each year, it's a gold mine for solar power. Now imagine reducing your electric bill significantly, or even bringing it down to zero. Sounds amazing, right? Here's the deal. Many companies and government programs in Albuquerque are pushing for renewable energy adoption. They offer incentives like rebates, tax credits, and even free installations to homeowners willing to make the switch to solar. So how do you get in on this? Step 1 is to schedule a free assessment of your home. This is where a professional comes out to your property, checks out your home's orientation, roof space, and shading, and determines the best setup for your solar panels. This assessment is crucial because it ensures that the system you get is optimized for your specific situation, maximizing your energy production and cost savings. To schedule this, simply contact Sandia View Electric. They will match you with the best providers who participate in government or private incentive programs. They'll walk you through the process, help you understand the available incentives, and set up a time to assess your home, all at no cost to you. Remember, going solar is not just about saving money, it's about taking a step towards a sustainable future, reducing your carbon footprint, and contributing to a greener planet. And when it's potentially free, it's definitely worth considering. So, Albuquerque homeowners, what are you waiting for? Check out which solar incentives are available in your area and take that first step towards a brighter, cleaner energy future. Let the sun take care of your energy bills. Thanks for listening, and here's to a sun-powered future. Catch you all in the next one.